AI might seem like a modern invention, but did you know its roots go back thousands of years? From ancient myths to self learning machines, the journey of AI has been fascinating. But how did we get from the idea of thinking machines to today's powerful AI systems? Let's take a quick journey through history. The idea of AI dates back to ancient times when Greek mythology spoke of mechanical beings with human like intelligence. But real progress began in the 20th century when scientists started developing machines that could simulate human thinking. In 1950, Alan Turing, the father of modern computing, introduced the idea that machines could think and even created the Turing test to measure AI's intelligence. A few years later, in 1956, the term artificial intelligence AI was officially coined at the Dartmouth conference, marking the beginning of AI as a field of study. By the 1980s and 1990s, AI saw major breakthroughs with the rise of machine learning and early neural networks, allowing computers to learn from experience. This led to applications like speech recognition and early expert systems. Fast forward to today, AI powers voice assistants, facial recognition, self driving cars, and advanced chatbots. With modern deep learning and big data, AI is now capable of tasks once thought impossible. And with the rapid advancements in transformer models like GPT, AI is shaping the future in ways we have only imagined. Now, think about this. What do you think AI will be able to do in the next 10 years? Tell me in the comments, where do you see AI making the biggest impact?